Hey guys, it's Casey again from 8 Leg Circus. We are going to do an iDRIVE installation video today. Now, I installed this yesterday on Mega, but I'm going to walk you through step by step on how to install it, so let's get going. Okay, so you have the box, and inside you will have the colored faceplates, whichever color you pick. You have the iDRIVE itself. You have your wiring, stickers, you have 2 zip ties to tuck everything nice and neat out of the way, and you have instructions. This is the controller itself. It's really small, it's really versatile. You can put it just about anywhere that you want in your vehicle. The instructions are really self-explanatory. It's really easy, maybe 10 minutes. We're going to install it over here on the left of Mega's steering column. So I'm getting it undone. Now that end with the red plug goes in the top of your pedal. That plugs into the factory plug, and that end plugs into the iDRIVE. So what I did was I unplugged the factory plug, got it tucked out of the way so I could get the new plug put in. So I plugged the end with the red lock on it into the top of the gas pedal. So I popped the bottom of the dash off so we could get the wires tucked in behind and make them neat and pretty. This end plugs into the 4-port plug we installed earlier on the pedal assembly pigtail. We suggest disconnecting your battery at least 30 minutes prior to the install. iDRIVEs are vehicle specific. They do offer units for almost any car or truck on the market. However, check out their website for more info and other great products they offer. Now, you'll want to clean wherever you want to put it with an alcohol pad, and make sure you have it straight and exactly where you want it when you start pushing down and applying pressure to make it stick. No wires, everything looks nice and neat. We have economy mode, ultimate mode, and automatic. Each mode has a range from 0 to 9, so make sure to read the instructions and test the modes yourself to find out which one works best for you. We run Mega on U9 as seen in our Back to the Future parody. Make sure to check that out, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow our pages and our YouTube channel. And there you have it. That's just how easy it is to install an iDRIVE virtually on any vehicle. This has been Casey with 8 Leg Circus, and whether you're riding high or laying low, keep on trucking.
Yeah, I get that later.